Bilisan mo maglinis, Becky. Ipapalinis pa sa'yo si Miss Minchin. Iskubahin mo maigi. Pampapayat yan. Mamacho ka naman. This is how to clean the wall, as illustrated by Miss Mary Grace Agas. And this is how to clean the blackboard, as illustrated by our great show hands. Look at that, they're so talented. They love it. They love it.
The secret is...
Ay, 1 peso coin.
Yes.
It is more.
Ang galing. Bravo, bravo.
Bravo.
Ay,
Ha? Puro maganda.